If you want to create a smooth professional gradient effect in Photoshop, this is one of the easiest and most useful techniques to learn, especially if you want something that stays fully editable. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a gradient effect in Photoshop using the live, non-destructive method so you can change the colors, angle, and style anytime without starting over. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open Photoshop and make sure your project is ready. This method works great for backgrounds, layouts, thumbnails, posters, banners, and pretty much any design where you want a clean gradient look. Once your file is open, go to the Layers panel at the bottom and look for the new Adjustment Layer icon. That's the half-filled circle button. Click that icon and from the menu, select Gradient. The moment you do that, Photoshop will place a solid gradient fill over your canvas and the Gradient Fill Options box will appear. This is where all the magic happens, because instead of painting a gradient permanently onto the image, Photoshop creates a dedicated adjustment layer. That means your gradient stays editable at all times. Now let's change the colors. In the gradient fill box, you'll see a color bar preview. Next to it, there's a small drop-down arrow. Click that arrow to open Photoshop's preset gradient library. Here you can browse different styles like pastels, blues, metallics, and more. This is a great way to quickly test different looks and find a style that fits your design. If you want something more custom, double-click directly on the color bar. That opens the gradient editor where you can manually adjust the color stops to create your own unique blend. You can add new colors, remove colors you don't need, and fine-tune the transition between each shade. This is especially useful if you want your gradient to match a brand color palette or a specific creative theme. Next, let's adjust the direction of the gradient. In the gradient fill options, you'll see the angle wheel. You can rotate this wheel to change which direction the colors flow across your canvas. For example, you can make the gradient run left to right, top to bottom, or even diagonally depending on the look you want. Right below that, you'll also see the style drop-down. This is where you can change the overall type of gradient effect. Photoshop gives you options like linear, radial, angle, and reflected. Linear gives you a straight blended transition, radial creates a circular fade from the center, angle gives you a sweeping color rotation, and reflected creates a mirrored effect. Try each one to see which works best for your design. Once you've chosen your colors, angle, and style, click OK to apply it. Your gradient will now appear on the canvas exactly the way you configured it. And the best part is, because this is an adjustment layer, you are not locked into the result. At any time in the future, you can simply double-click the gradient fill layer and reopen the settings. That means you can change the colors, swap presets, or adjust the angle live on your canvas without losing any work. This is what makes the adjustment layer method powerful. It keeps your workflow flexible, clean, and professional, especially if you're designing multiple versions of the same project or experimenting with different moods and color combinations. So, to quickly recap, go to the new adjustment layer icon, choose gradient, pick a preset or customize your own colors, adjust the angle and style, and then save it as a fully editable gradient layer. It's simple, fast, and perfect for modern Photoshop workflows. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Photoshop tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.